Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, tap here, go to its settings. Oh no, you don't go to settings, just tap here, go to the call blocking, and here you have Blocklist. So you can tap here, tap add. Here you have to enter a number which you want to block. You can block its messages, you can block calls, and then tap OK. And after that, this number will never reach you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.